There we go, celery salt made. As easy as that. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, celery salt. Very quick recipe how to make celery salt. And it starts with some celery seed. Celery seed, and I've got some sea salt. That is it. That's all we use. So all we got to do is put some celery seed into a blender, blend it, sieve it, mix it, celery salt. So it's quite cheap to do, obviously more expensive to buy in the shops because they do all the process. Let's get on and show you how to do it. So it's just a case of taking that tiny celery seed and chucking it in there. That's all it is. Put on the lid and go blend. When you've blended your contents, take a sieve and just sieve it. Now the fine powder will come through and you will still have quite a lot of bits of seed. Now you can keep doing it, you can keep blending away until you end up with all fine powder. Now to make celery salt, this is quick and easy celery salt. You take 4 tablespoons of your sea salt, 2 tablespoons of your ground celery, mix it in and you have celery salt. Store in a jar. You have to seal it because obviously it's salt, and if it gets to moisture it will clump up. There we have it. Now there are other ways to make celery salt, but this is a quick way. Make sure you label your jar celery salt. Job done. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. There we go, celery salt made. As easy as that.